What is up, my friends? So my boy is on his way over here with his GS300. I guess he backed into like one of those cement brick barrier things. So he's gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna take his mufflers off, probably whatever, 5-10 minute thing. And then I'm gonna give him a ride along in the FD. What he doesn't know is I'm gonna let him drive the FD. If he knows how to drive stick. I don't know if he knows how to drive stick or not. But that's kind of going to be my thing for this ride-along series that I'm starting. I'm going to call it the Reverse Ride-Along Series. What I'm going to do is I'm giving people the opportunity to ride in the RX-7, especially people who have never ridden in an RX-7. And you'd be surprised that is a lot of people. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them ride in or whatever. I'm going to drive, do my thing. And I'm going to pull over and be like, hey, do you want to drive the RX-7? You know, try to maybe get their reaction on it, see if, you know, they want to drive it, if they feel comfortable driving it. You know, so yeah, we'll see how that works out. But my boy's on his way, so yeah, I'm just waiting for him to pull up.
stick? It's just getting out of first. It's like,
that ain't answer my question,
I can. I know how to. I done deliver niggas' cars driving stick, so yeah.
You wanna drive that thing?
Shit, fuck it.
Oh, this nigga's wearing Crocs, though. You're. Just let him slow. You'll feel it. Don't rev. Just let off.
It grabs it.
You'll feel it. Go. Now, there you go. Hit the left.
That's all it is, bro. I gotta get back out of first. Once I get out of first, I'm good. But then it's like I'm trying to find the bite point, but it's like the bite point is slightly up. I gotta lift a bit, but I'm like, wait, where is it? The bite point is pretty.
It's like midway.
Yeah. But it's small. If you miss it, you miss it.
I mean, it's really.
Should have a tire on
Yeah. I mean, if you feel it, you know, like if you feel like you're gonna stall, you can just push it back in. Yeah. So I mean, it's, you know, like I know my point. Obviously, it's my car.
Yeah.
You know, it's like I could drive the car on the clutch one.
Yeah.
Because I know where the shit is at. You know, but that's the best way to practice too. If you end up with a stick shift car, you just sit there and fucking play with the clutch. Like it? What do you think?
So, how to describe it? It's one thing to see videos, see like the two-step, yeah, watch flybys, and then like 90% of what you say RX-7 is, and I'm gonna say most rotaries, no AC that they're hot. They're hot. That's first. Always gotta let that be known. Living in Florida too.
A lot of dudes do got the AC still though, but
yeah, but
you gotta remember I'm from Cali, bro. I built a car in Cali for Cali weather.
And
So.
came out here, it's just straight death. But experience or in the ride, just ride along, woo, easily 10 out of 10. Getting on boost, that shit is crazy.
You think I was gonna ask you if you wanted to drive it?
Nah. Absolutely not whatsoever. He like, damn, you ever drove stick? I'm like, I have. It's been a minute though. For a fact, I'm like, I just gotta get out of first.
Hey, it is what it is, bro. I like to have fun. I wanna be able to share this shit with other people, especially with the climate of the car market right now, bro. A lot of people aren't gonna be able to afford these cars.
What?
So, but yeah, right on, broski.
Loved it.